In Singapore, currency is controlled with absolute precision.
This facility is not a factory. It's a fortress.
Access is restricted. Records are permanent.
Every dollar begins as classified data.
No leaks, no shortcuts, no exceptions.
Design is the first layer of security.
Even what you can't see is protected. This is where trust is manufactured. And every detail matters.
We need to enhance the security threat visibility here. The calibration must be exact for the anti-copying feature.
I'll cross-reference the data points now.
Patterns form logic readable only by machines and central banks. Every future note already has an identity.
Where money begins as material. This is not paper. This is engineered currency.
Polymer sheets move through precision-controlled rollers. Heat, pressure, and tension are monitored in real time. Durability is engineered, not assumed. From raw substrate to currency canvas, material becomes destiny.
In this high-security laboratory, ink is not just color. These specialized formulations are classified technology.
The magnetic signature is stable at this frequency. And the reflective layering is exactly as engineered.
Magnetic ink flows through precision nozzles. Invisible data is embedded into liquid form. ATMs will read what humans cannot. Patterns break scanners and printers. Copying becomes mathematically impossible.
High-end scanners attempt to reproduce ink behavior. Results fail instantly. The system anticipates the enemy. Blank polymer meets liquid security. The first layer of trust is about to be applied. Printing is no longer theoretical. Security beyond human vision. Inside this chamber, security now exists at a microscopic scale.
Look at this coordinate here. The machine flagged it as an error, but the signature matches.
I see it. Experience recognizes the pattern. It's authentic.
Nothing passes unseen.
AI systems update detection models in real time. Every defect improves future screening. Security evolves constantly. Only perfection moves forward. Trust has been verified, not assumed. Quality control is complete.
Production ends. Protection begins.